All right. Probably the biggest question I get is how do I get my recipe collection onto my iPhone or iPad? It's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through each and every step. So, the first thing you want to do is download FileMaker Go version 17, which is free from the Mac App Store. Now, I'm on a Mac right now, so unfortunately I can't download this because it's only for iOS devices. But if you're on your iPhone or iPad, just go to the App Store, type in FileMaker Go 17 as the search bar, and it's free. It's completely free, as you can see right here. And you just simply download this to your iPhone or iPad. Okay, that's step one. Now you have the app downloaded and you will see it on your home screen or one of your screens on your iPhone and iPad. So, step two, you're going to connect your iPhone or iPad and then launch iTunes. So, let's go over to iTunes. I'm going to show you a sample. I'm in my movie section, sorry. Anyway, so what you want to do and what I want to stress the most is that you need to unlock your iPhone or iPad when you connect it to your computer. So that's either through your passcode, through your Touch ID fingerprint, or your Face ID if you're using a new iPhone. So you want to make sure you unlock your iPhone or iPad and then connect it with a USB cord to your computer. And once you do, you will see the icon for either iPhone or iPad right here. So what you want to do is click on that. And I'm using an iPad 5th generation, and I'm going to go to the file sharing that you see right here. And once in file sharing, you will see some of the apps that are accessible for file sharing on that are included or attached to your iPhone or iPad. Now, I have quite a few versions of FileMaker Go, but version 17, which is the current one as of this video that is compatible with Computer Cuisine Deluxe 9, is the one you want to go with. That's the one with the teal icon. So you just want to click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the FileMaker Go documents that are actually on your iPad. Now, these are the 4 sample template documents that come with FileMaker Go, the free app. You don't need to use these, and you can frankly delete them or just leave them as is. They take up a tiny bit of room, but I'm just going to leave them as is for now because we're really focusing on Computer Cuisine Deluxe. Okay, so what do we need to do? We simply need to drag your data file into this window, and that's it. So let's go to the desktop right here. I'm going to click on my hard drive that's in the background, and we're going to go right here. And Computer Cuisine Deluxe is located in your Applications folder, and you're going to want to scroll through this until you hit Computer Cuisine Deluxe version 9. Once you're here, you're going to see that here's the app. This is the app. You don't want this. You want your data file. And ta-da, it's actually, the icon shows data file. It's Computer Cuisine Deluxe data, and it's .ina. This is the file that contains all of your recipe information. So we want to just move this. I'm using a single monitor and kind of a small window, but I'm just going to go ahead and close Safari right now. We just want to go ahead and drag this data file into this. We're not moving it. We're not deleting it. We're actually copying it onto the iPad right now. Once I let go, it will be copying it, and you will see copying 1 of 1. It's Computer Cuisine Deluxe data file. You can see the progress window right here. It's copying, and it's quite a bit of data in there. Almost done, and it's always the last little step that is the last little bit. There it is. Okay, Computer Cuisine Deluxe data. That's it. We're done. We actually don't have to sync up anything. That's what's kind of nice about this technique. You just have to use the file sharing sidebar in iTunes and then drag that data file into this window. No sync is needed, and you don't have to mess with anything else. Now, when you go back onto your iPhone or iPad, you're going to launch FileMaker Go 17, and you're going to select Computer Cuisine Deluxe as the file that you want to pull data from. Once you do that, the rest will be very self-explanatory, and Computer Cuisine Deluxe on the iPhone or iPad will launch correctly, and you'll be able to access your data, your complete recipe database on the go. So that's it. It's a pretty simple process, but it is worth explaining, especially since Apple has changed some things with the sidebar of iTunes, and you just want to drag that data file into the file sharing section of your exact app. That's it. Thanks.